taking pledge. I request everyone to stand up and repeat after me. Kindly take the pledge position. I hereby undertake the pledge to serve my country with honor till my last breath. I will always put my nation before self. I will positively contribute to the development of my country in my present capacity and to the best of my ability. Thank you everyone for your support.
Thank you everyone. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like the skit. This enactment is based on a real-time operation undertaken by Indian Army on the night of 28-29 September 2016 in retaliation to an attack by terrorists on an army base in Uri, Kashmir on September 2016, in which 19 Indian soldiers were killed.
Surgical strike operation was commanded by Major Rohit Suri, who has been portrayed as Major Vihan Shergill in this skit. Major Rohit belonged to the 4 Parachute Regiment and was awarded Kirti Chakra by President Pranab Mukherjee on 20th March 2017 for his bravery and successful accomplishment of his mission without losing any life.
Ma'am, what is memories you recall when we talk about annual function?
Different regional folk dances, the Danziya, the Garba, the Bhangra, the Gidda, the Gaud dance and many more.
Wow, ma'am! Great then, let us take our parents to have a glimpse of a lively and vibrant dance form which is an integral part of Gujarat's rich cultural heritage, often performed during the festival season of Navratri. It's not just a dance, it's a cultural expression that brings people together in lively and spirited celebration of life. Let's welcome our Explorer 3 class to make you experience the urgency and vibrancy of Jhanjharas.
country. Every single corner you will get to see is full of life with our own colors.
Very true, ma'am. You know, our next class will showcase the colors of the land of five rivers, the undulating mustard fields, Punjabiyan Nishan.
Ma'am, are you talking about Bhangra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you know Bhangra dance is often hailed as the most vibrant folk dance of India, celebrated for its high-spirited and energetic nature. Originating in the vibrant state of Punjab, Bhangra embodies the joy and enthusiasm of its people. Dancers perform with a lively, rhythmic step to the beats of dhol drum, celebrating the harvest season and life's exuberance.
Yes, its infectious energy and colorful attire have made Bhangra a globally recognized symbol of Indian culture, captivating audiences around the world with its dynamic and spirited performances.
Makki di roti, sarson da saag, Baisakhi di masti, Bhangre di khas, lehrate khet, lassi da gilas. Welcome you all in Sada Punjab. So parents, put your hands together for Explorer 2 class, who will exhibit the captivating colors of Punjab.
जी सरदार जी मैं तो डर गई मैं निकला वो गड्डी लेके वो रास्ते पर वो सड़क में एक मोड़ आया मैं छोड़ आया वो मोड़ आया मैं छोड़ आया उस मोड़ पे वो मुटियार मिली वो उस मोड़ पे वो मुटियार मिली
I now realize that every year of my school life holds different set of memories. As we have some engrossing memories of annual fest during the middle school, secondary school reminds me of the last day of the school before the final exam, when we bid adieu to our friends, classmates with hugs and welfare notes on shirts and lot more promises.
Yes, and not to forget about the most awaited farewell party, an event where dreams and memories were made. The excitement of selecting the perfect dress, ensuring that every detail is right, the sound of laughter, the music-filled air, the dance floor, the innocent teasing, everything was so magical.
It was a time to reflect on the past and look towards the future, a moment of nostalgia and anticipation where the sharing, heartfelt conversation on hitting the dance floor, welfare party evening was a magical evening that has attached its place in the tapestry of high school memories. So put your hands together to welcome Explorer 1 class who will revive your secondary school memories. Get ready to experience the thrill and the excitement of our favorite time of the school life.
मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी, है जो क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं बोल आऊंगी। हमारा इस दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी दुनिया बताऊंगी कि जिंदगी है मेरी
देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज ज़मीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। गोरी 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 गोरी, कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी। गोरी 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 गोरी, कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी। छुप छुप के तुम मिला करो, प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो, पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे से बाहर।
Lots of surprises are planned for you. Stay excited for the same.
Audience, you're very well aware that when it's about opting preschool, the most talked about institution in Karnal is none other than Beanstalk Schools.
And why not? Looking at the past year, we have achieved the fame with your trust and appreciation, and not to forget about our never-ending support and cooperation. To throw some upon light on these achievements and a bridge to excellence, I would like to call upon the stage our center head, Ms. Shamishta Seelman.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. I once again heartily welcome you all to the annual day celebration of Beanstalk. I am indeed honored to have this opportunity to present before you the remarkable positive growth and achievements of our school in recent years. And I would like to thank each one of you for being a significant part of this glorious journey. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school undoubtedly, but also makes us introspect our limitations and imperfections. The mission and vision of Beanstalk are central to its purpose and goals. Our mission typically revolves around providing a nurturing and stimulating environment for young children, fostering their early development and instilling a love for learning. We are committed to offer age-appropriate education, socialization, and emotional support. The vision of Beanstalk is to look to the future, aspiring to create a community where every child can reach their full potential, laying a strong foundation for their academic and personal growth. It emphasizes values like inclusivity, creativity, and the partnership between educators and parents, all aimed at preparing children for a successful transition to formal education. The school has experienced remarkable positive growth in recent years, evident through improved academic performance and increased student enrollment. As you are the co-partner of Beanstalk, we like to update you about some significant upgrades in our institution. The year 2023 commenced on a wonderful note as we opened our third branch with a beautiful castle look for the young preschoolers in Sector 32. Extension of primary schooling has been done in Model Town branch, which will run till grade 1 from the next academic session, that is 2024 and 2025. And also extension of primary schooling has been done in Sector 33 branch, which will run till grade 5th from the next academic session 2024 and 2025. Amidst the boom of technology-enabled learning era, Beanstalk, as usual keeping a step ahead, has come up and introduced STEAM learning from Junior KG till grade 5th. So for Junior KG till Senior KG, it's screenless coding with robotics, and till 5th grade, it's on-screen coding with robotics. While heading towards the digitally acclaimed period, it is the need of the hour that we start fostering digital literacy at an early age. These classes promote critical thinking and creativity as kids learn to solve simple coding puzzles. Moreover, coding classes enhance fine motor skills and eye-hand coordination, which is crucial for a child's overall development. Coding also encourages teamwork and collaboration as they work on coding projects together. Additionally, coding helps preschoolers build logical thinking and sequencing abilities, which are fundamental skills for math and science. In this increasingly technology-driven world, early exposure to coding empowers children with essential skills and prepares them for future success. Beanstalk always has emphasized on the significance of holistic development in the life of every preschooler irrespective of caste, creed and gender. So whatever activities we are conducting in the school are focused on one or the other development. Focusing on different areas of development, we have conducted numerous activities like celebration of different national and international days, sand play, water play, circle and set time, etc. I would like to draw special attention on number of competitions that we conduct on regular basis, like rhyme competition, myself competition, read new book a month competition, mouth movement competition, declamation competition, public speaking competitions and many more. We are happy to share the details of the commendable performance of our students. None of these achievements would have been possible without the single-minded commitment and dedicated care of our teachers. We are also constantly encouraged by parents and well-wishers who have shown much confidence and given their fullest support.
Thanks a lot, ma'am, for enlightening us with the updates. Indeed, it's a great achievement within this short period of time.
How the time flies now. It seems just like yesterday when these kids entered the school for the very first time.
Holding their parents' hands tightly and scared of unknown anxiety in their hearts and ready to explore some new chapters of life.
And today we can see the joy on their faces, confidence on stage, and spirit of learning something new each day.
Seriously, ma'am, it's all about life. Every day it comes up with some new challenges and lessons, and we are supposed to teach that of today's little ones.
Talking about challenges, we can't forget about the weekly tests, exams, the boards, and the final results. At the end, choosing the right stream and the right college. Oh,
सही में मैम, वो एग्जाम्स के दिन तो बहुत ही वर्स्ट होते हैं. No TV, no video games, no outing, no pampering. I used to hate those days. ऊपर से मम्मी पापा का कंपैरिजन करना क्लास के टॉपर के साथ, पड़ोसियों के बच्चों के साथ.
me too, ma'am. Those days were really scary. Checking out these days situation of the students, I think we were still blessed. Nowadays, the kids are more pressurized. Still, the grade system, CUET, has been a blessing.
Ma'am, I think the scariest part after completing the 12th is deciding about one's future. The thing that we decide will direct us towards a life goal. So a tiny mistake and all the efforts go in vain. It's the most bothering part of life.
All the audience sitting here have gone through the same ordeal.
So let's call upon the stage developer 1 and 2 class kids who will present the dilemma, the stress, the support from the friends, the courage to face the worst, and also to pick up the pieces, move on in life, and last, achieving success.
चला जाने कहाँ मैं किधर चला और फिसल गया ये तूने क्या किया
अरे क्या हुआ इतनी टेंशन में क्यों है
एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं यार.
हाँ तो
इस बार भी टॉप करना है. 98% तो लाने ही है. फिर ये शहर की टॉप की कॉलेज में एडमिशन भी हो जाएगा और आगे की पूरी प्लानिंग सेट है.
अरे डोंट वरी एग्जाम्स भी अच्छे जाएंगे और हम टॉप भी कर लेंगे. थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ. एग्जाम्स के डिप्रेशन में कोई लाइफ जीना भूल जाता है क्या? मेहनत दिल लगा के की है ना तो उसका नतीजा भी अच्छा ही होगा. बस दिल पे हाथ रखो और बोलो ऑल इज वेल, ऑल इज वेल.
आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी पर जाके बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी पर जाके बोल मुर्गी का जाने अंडे का क्या होगा लाइफ में किया तबे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी। हाथ में फाइल बनने दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, कससे मस ना होंगे हम। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
सब बच्चे अच्छे नंबर से पास हो गए थे, सभी बच्चे खुश भी थे, पर रिया बहुत ज्यादा ही अपसेट थी, क्योंकि उसे अपने टारगेट जितने मार्क्स नहीं मिल पाए। 98 की जगह 96 मिले। शायद वो अपने टॉप के कॉलेज में नहीं जा पाएगी, शायद उसने जितने गोल सोचे थे वो अचीव नहीं कर पाएगी। यही सब सोच अब उसके दिमाग में डिप्रेशन का रूप ले रही है।
माना कि मुश्किल है सफर पर सुनो मुसाफिर, हो कहीं अगर तू रुका तो मंजिल आएगी ना फिर। कदम कदम मिलाए जा, गगन गगन झुकाए जा, रख हौसला कर फैसला, तुझे वक्त बदलना है।
Sorry मम्मी पापा, sorry बंटी and all my friends. Sorry, but मैं अपना बेस्ट नहीं दे पाई। I know सबको मुझसे बहुत उम्मीद थी कि मैं 98% लेकर आऊंगी, जैसे सबको चाहिए था ना, वो टॉपर ऑफ द टाउन एंड टॉप की कॉलेज। वो सब मैं अचीव नहीं कर पाई। मुझ में अब सबको फेस करने की हिम्मत नहीं है।
इस दुनिया में ना तो कुछ मुश्किल होता है, ना ही आसान होता है। सारा खेल मानने का है। जो मानता है कि उसके लिए मुश्किल है तो उसके लिए मुश्किल है, और जो मान लेता है कि मेरे लिए आसान है तो उसके लिए सब आसान है। कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं। तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं उम्मीदें हंसेंगी। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं
beautifully depicted. A huge round of applause for the adorable Beanstalkers. They literally brought the final bites right here on the stage. Parents, please collect your awards.
Now, we roll down the red carpet to welcome our honorable chief guest, Ms. Shikha Sood. Can you please come on the stage, ma'am, and sprinkle your wisdom words on all of us? Please give a huge round of applause.
Keep it low.
Very good evening to everybody. Can I have this? A very good evening to everybody. Good evening, ma'am. अरे यार, जोश तो बहुत ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. बच्चों में इतना जोश है तो आप लोगों में तो और होना चाहिए. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, ma'am. It was really good to see students performing and कितना कुछ हमें बच्चों से सीखने को मिलता है.
एक बार
I would just like to share four messages with you which I feel as a parent are extremely important. अगर मैं आपसे एक simple question पूछूं कि what do you expect a great institution to be? I have witnessed this today and I personally feel that the best institutions are where you see happy faces. बाकी ना हम क्या चाहते हैं बच्चों के लिए वो खुश रहे वो हैप्पी रहे and trust me looking at the performances of the students as well as teachers आपने देखा बच्चे कितने मतलब openly वो perform कर पा रहे थे. There was no stress for any child. अगर वो right पे जा रहा है कि left पे जा रहा है and the happiness I could see in teachers. Any institution can be only great if all the people who are associated with that institution are happy. So let's give a big round of applause to आप सबके बच्चे एक बड़ी happy institution में पढ़ रहे हैं. What is another message I would really like? हम as parents क्या चाहते हैं? मैं 100% कह सकती हूँ कोई भी पेरेंट ये नहीं कहेगा मेरा बच्चा बड़े होके
सॉर्टिंग कर रहा है और वो खेल रहा है। प्लीज लुक फॉर, जरूरी नहीं है कि लहंगे आपको गेम्स खरीद के ही बच्चे को पढ़ा सकते हो। देयर आर मेनी गेम्स, लुक एट इनोवेटिव आइडियाज, आप सिखा सकते हो। अब मैं थोड़ी सी एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी करूंगी। Once upon a time, there was a very big tree. And can you tell me where is this big tree? ये big tree कहाँ है? बताओ? Any kids? Anybody? ये big tree कहाँ होगा? बताओ? हाँ बोलो? Forest में, और कहाँ हो सकता है? जंगल में, yes. हाँ? Garden में. My big tree was in the jungle. And next question is, who lives in this big tree? कौन रहता है इस big tree के ऊपर? हाँ? Oh yes, birds. मेरे big tree के ऊपर 2 crows हैं. कौन रहते हैं? One crow is very strong. I call him Papa Crow. Another crow is very beautiful. I call her Mama Crow. कितने crows हैं? Papa Crow और every day morning when sun comes up, Papa Crow opens his wide eyes and Papa Crow says 3 words to Mama Crow. क्या होंगे? सुबह उठ के Papa Crow क्या बोलेगा? I love you. लेकिन एक प्रॉब्लम है, क्रो तो ये बोल ही नहीं सकता, तो क्रो क्या बोलेगा? का का का। तो क्या बोलेगा क्रो? ऐसे भी सबको बोलना पड़ेगा। क्या बोलेगा क्रो? एंड एवरी डे मॉर्निंग ये चलता रहता है। लेकिन एक दिन जब मॉर्निंग में सन आया, पापा ने बोला काका था, आज मामा को बहुत गुस्से में थी। एंड मामा को सेड, आज तो मैं काका का नहीं बोलूं। देन व्हाट हैपेंड? पापा को वाज वेरी अपसेट। उससे बहुत पूछने की कोशिश करी तो पता चला कि मामा को जो है प्रेग्नेंट है और उनके घर बेबीज आने वाले हैं। बहुत खुश थे एंड यू नो, और वो बहुत तैयारी कर रहे थे कि बच्चे आए। हर स्टोरी में एक प्रॉब्लम होती है और इस स्टोरी की प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि जब वो क्रोज ने बेबीज दे दिए, 3 एग्स दे दिए, तो इस ट्री के ऊपर एक बड़ा सा होल था। एंड हु लिव्ड इन दिस होल? एवरी डे नाइट व्हेन पापा एंड ममा Crow were sleeping, snake would come up, he would eat 1 egg and go down. ऐसे करते करते सिर्फ एक अंडा रह गया। पापा Crow, ममा Crow बहुत परेशान हो गए। पापा Crow ने कहा मैं इसका सलूशन दूंगा और वो चला गया। वो he went to the palace, he met the king, he came back with the soldiers and उसने soldiers को पकड़कर उसने snake को पकड़ा दिया और अपने egg को बचा लिया। Now Mama Crow was very happy. अब Mama Crow ने पापा Crow को क्या कहा? जोर के क्या कहा? Yes. और जब वो दोनों बहुत खुश थे, you know what happened? The egg hatched and what came out of the egg? Baby Crow. So today with this school annual fest, it is also the birthday of this baby crow. So now we have to sing birthday song. तो गाएं birthday song? अरे क्रो को तो समझ ही नहीं आएगा भाई, क्रो को तो आपकी लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ आती। तो क्या? का 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 का। थैंक यू। अब ये मैंने स्टोरी इसलिए सुनाई क्योंकि मैं लास्ट मैसेज जो शेयर करना चाहती हूँ, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर। हर स्टोरी जो होती है उसमें एक प्रॉब्लम होती है और प्रॉब्लम के बाद उसका सलूशन दिया जाता है। इन द कमिंग टाइम वी डोंट नीड anybody, but we need students who are able to solve the problem. वही बच्चा लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होगा जो प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकेगा। So make sure that your kids do that and बहुत आसान है। छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम्स बच्चे के सामने रखो और उनको देखने दो वो कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं। एंड अगर आप ये करते रहोगे, you will find that every big problem it comes in front of the child, will be able to inspire us into doing that. With this, thank you everybody. Thank you.
What the wise words, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Parents, lots of surprises are planned for you, so please stay tuned. Ma'am, I did not realize while taking a trip down memory lane, we are also making memories. I just knew we should be having fun.
What happened, ma'am? You seem to be carried away by some cool memories.
Yeah, you are right, Priyanka ma'am. Actually, since this evening, we are experiencing so much heartwarming memories that I am taken back into my older times by these little ones.
True, ma'am. They have really done that. मैम, क्या आपको कॉलेज के दिन याद आ रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल, वो कोई कैसे भूल सकता है? Those days were truly awesome.
Going to college was the only reason that created a strong sense in me.
Not only you, Priyanka ma'am, but most of us became conscious about current trends as soon as we enter the college.
And this is the only time we make the life most strongest friendship. College life usually is the most enjoyable part of a life.
Ma'am, what are we waiting for? Let's call our next bunch.
Really? We will get to see college life as well, ma'am?
Yes, what are we waiting for? Let's call Explorer 1 and Explorer 2 TIT kids without any delay and tell them to those memories.
What kind of tree can you carry in your hand? Yes, please. What kind of tree can you carry in your hand? No. Palm tree. Right. Congratulations, ma'am. What gets shorter as it grow older? What gets shorter as it grow older? No, no. No. Correct, candle. Congratulations, sir. I am easy to lift, but hard to throw. What I am? Easy to lift, but hard to throw. What I am? Feather. Right. Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations to all the winners. That is First Love, which is a symphony of emotions and exquisite tapestry woven with the threads of hope, innocence and vulnerability. कुछ भी तो कहा नहीं मगर जिंदगी से बातें हो गई।
वाह वाह, क्या बात है। सही में मैम, वो वक्त का मजा ही कुछ और था। वो पहली नजर चुराना, चुरा के चुप चुप के देखना,